Hi, welcome back to this short tutorial. In this video, I will discuss about how to pin stickers on the Snapchat. So many people are searching about it. If you really use this feature on the Snapchat or not, watch this video till the end. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So let's start the video. First of all, you have to open your Play Store mobile application. And now you have to search for the Snapchat. Once you will search for it, you will see update button. Simply you have to click on this update button. Once you will click on the update button, your Snapchat will be updated. After that, go back and open your Snapchat mobile application. Now you have to click a picture. Once you will do it, you will get a sticker option. On the third one, click on it. Now you have to tap a while on the sticker, and if you get this pin option right here, let me know in the comment section, because there is no way to pin Snapchat. Maybe this is the new feature, and it may work in some countries like USA or the other, but this feature is not available in my country right now. So let me know in the comment section if it's working or not. So this is the way. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, just drop a comment. I will try to help you. Thank you.